So it's a country. You understand what you say again. The same road with the municipal corporation, them, you know. So the mayor and him friend them I drive on this. See it there again. Potholes. Skip and dolly. Skip and dolly. Yes. All of this a stretch of good on, so. Pothole for days. See, pray? Yeah, man. And Mark, you know, understand that there was a lot of rain for the past couple of months, but the rain stopped fall from about November, early December, and we are in today is about the 14th or 15th of January. You understand? So there has been ample time to kind of get some rehabilitation work done to this road and all the other roads where needed. So look here, so again, pothole. So you just have to pick your best side of the road if it's available and go on about your business. Yeah, and I understand the procurement this and procurement guidelines this and all of them something there. But if you know that we have rainy seasons in the country, because the information, the data is there to tell you when and then some stuff. I guess the rainy season this year was a little bit prolonged compared to previous years. Fair enough. But you know, so the rain will stop fall eventually. You understand? So get your things in order. So when the rain stop fall, you can hit the road running. But no, sir. Oh, you are going this year election year, so I am sure that leading up to the election, these roads will be patched. You understand? And people will say, oh, the road fixed, man, so we can vote again for the MP. You understand? And then after election, the road fall in a state of disrepair again. And the whole process and people quarrel. See me look here, so again we just have to choose the best side and make the driver have to ease up. Yes, so again, patrol even take a look at time and skirt it and make sure them man that you will apply. So we have to deal with it out there, so because that's a rough again. Patrol again, just again patrol. So brother would even give me one little piece of, you understand? Same, yes again. So we just go through, just take the best part of it out of that and we continue. And at Fitz Jackson constituency this year, you see me I say? No, Fitz Jackson did patrol again. Fitz Jackson did do some work and try to get the bank fees them on a level. And I respect that and I appreciate that. But him trying to split him time wise, gonna spend some time and try to improve the roads in the constituency. That's again. You understand? So and the roads that have been shown from yesterday, I think belongs to his constituency. When I go up on the next side, I put more showing the wall go on. You understand? Them something there, brother. So, what to all about. So, this is intersection here again, patrol for days. See, right in front of you. You understand? And then the next thing with some of the roads them too, I am of the view that some road patching days over, man. Some road can't take no more patching. You understand what I say? Because a waste of time and money that what needs to be done to a lot of these roads is them need to scrape and relay. There's the amount of money we have spent a patch the same piece of road day in, day out, year in, year out. Scrape the road and relay the surface. And also one of the next, a lot of roads, so then we repave some roads in. Roads will be repaved then or patched out. You can give them that eventually, them tend to do that. However, in rehabilitating a lot of roads or patching a lot of roads, no consideration is given to the drainage system or drainage network in and around the area of the road where them are fixed. So as them fix the road, so boom, look rain through and water lift it off gone again. Like that don't make no sense to me still, but I suppose then contractor friend them have to continue to eat the food. You understand what I say? Everybody have to continue to eat them food because it's a eat the food culture, you know. As long as we can eat the food and we friend them and eat them food. Alright, you understand? See, a lot of patching went on around here, so look fairly freshish. But no drainage, so you probably come around here so a month from now again and you realize, say, yo, then not this them patch for the year, man. But then we're going back to square one. So no consideration for drainage a lot of the times. And then even if drainage is there, you know, because some of it, as people with nasty, you know, so we are part of a problem, you know. So we block these drains and gullies and then it causes the roads to deteriorate. We're not even talking about the flooding part of it, where it affect humans and them housing and stuff. We're just talking about the road right now. So we are part of a problem too. But if the drains are blocked and stuff, you understand? I mean, our tax dollars are supposed to be geared towards some of these things, you know. So but as a people, we need to clean up our waste too. Patrol the bigger my vehicle. You understand? Me drop down in that the last, and I can't even find one ways to teach them missing. That I go and ban them places. So I think set up more time out there, people. So I have to just pick the best patrol. You understand? And take time drop down in here because there are some parts of the road where you can't escape. You know, when you're young and you used to what, well, probably kind of reveal me, you know, you used to watch Chase on the wheel wires, the villain in that cartoon named Sawboss. Sawboss catchphrases, you cannot escape. Some of them patrol you can't escape from, brother. Yeah, I'm telling you, some of them when you drop down in them on the last, you know, depends on the size of the vehicle. Last, you know, and them fit and swift, they can't survive, but they disappear. Now show you our next road around at Fitz part. So every time I go anywhere and the road then stay away, I document and beat the politician them for the better. I'm tired of them, man. You understand? When I go up on the next side of Portmore now, that I run at Terry Long side and Big Grab side. Because them have some road, you know, you want to sort out, you know. I don't know, like a Jackson alone I have a problem over here, but I think Jackson probably have a worse road than a Portmore. If it's Jackson, that is. You understand? So, and him probably out of the 3 MP that we mentioned, he's the longest serving member of parliament. Because Terry Long probably do a 2 term, Big Grab a 1 term. See, as I said, that intersection is full of a 2. You understand? So, I'm going to run the road there, so we'll go on the stretch. Show what is what. See, but I've been telling you, say, patrol great, you know, sorry. Election not the far, so you soon see them start serving with truck and one look up roller and someone with some shop, so them a patrol. See me? And then people say, oh yeah, road fix. We are going to vote for them again and the cycle just repeat itself. See? Them something never talk about. We know all the politicians are accountable, so them no serve. And even so, because they have some areas where the surface is not filled with a lot of potholes, but them part, they bumpy and yo, it's like, I don't know, sometimes you drive a car and it sound like it's a hand car to your drive, brother. You understand what I say? Well, probably I chew my vehicle old still. That's why I really know about man now the new vehicle them out there still. But yeah, understand, see, patrol haven. See, patrol. And again, it's them. And I mean I put them in every day in the peeps. See them, so as I say one here, so you drop in another one the last again. And me no want nobody now comment at all about, look here, if you elect a person to represent in parliament, that person needs to do exactly that, make representation, so whatever needs to be done in the constituency can be done in a timely fashion, a timely manner. You understand? I understand that some of these things take time and I appreciate that for what it is. Seeing, even though there's too much bureaucracy and all of them something that lead to corruption, and them they are next door for different times still. But you elect a member of parliament to be your representative in parliament to lobby for your needs. And if you have a person who has not been doing that for any significant period of time, but I guess probably the people that will live around it alright with the road them still. It just use me to use them road from time to time because of either business or other reasons, but you see me? I understand. So the whole of this stretch I want to be rehabilitated. And this go back to one of the intersection where the man them block off a morning time because them not have patience. So AMP a problem and the people have a problem. The constituency is a problem apparently with it. You understand? So But Fitz Jackson need for the better still. I'm hoping to send it, somebody share this with them. See? Like, you can't be MP. And the people, may have to go check it out, but I'm not sure. But from me a boy, a long time that, you know, from me a boy, a Fitz Jackson name me here called upon this constituency. Even before me left country, come a town, a college and then Sydney, and then I been live at town for much years, you know, and I'm still Fitz Jackson, and then we come across the council place up that way there. So how come you have a member of parliament? So he's doing everything else okay then, like all other things that member of parliaments do. Fitz Jackson has been doing it and doing it well then, because the road situation can be a mark of him in performance, because then he would have been failing miserably. You understand? So he must have do everything else well. I guess probably all of the other things, them. So water and lighting and, you know, skills training facilities and community centers and all these things are up and running then. So I guess the people that live in other constituency, I can't comment on anything. And people, this is not about politics. Here, no, we're not really business with the guy. You understand what I say? It no matter if the constituency is orange or green, if I drive on the road and the road won't fix, I go record you and let them know so the road won't fix. You see what I say? So I know some of them have no sense now, you know, I don't want to say orange and green. I don't know nobody comment on that video if I just want to see things. You understand what I say? Right now, I am into the betterment of the country, irrespective of who the member of parliament is. There are some basic things that needs to be done, or to be done. So, I know some of no sense ever. I want nobody with that under my feet. I want to go other places where cater to what need. The only P when me in a business, but not JLP or PNP. There's just a few P me interested in. One of them I can't really say, and the next one is the people. So I'm not busy about the other P. You understand what I say? I'm busy about the betterment of the country I'm living out, that I've given many years of my life to trying to improve it, and I'm pay a tax. See, you know? So when I pay a tax, now that is what I'm concerned about. So if you're concerned about other things, that's okay, but nobody pitch by my video. You see me? So that's the situation I'm here talking about. And about Fitz Jackson, we appreciate what you tried with the banking sector the other day. Unfortunately, you were unsuccessful. See, that is something that needs to be treated with. You understand? But you also have a responsibility as member of parliament, and based on the road situation, I can't speak to the other aspects of you being member of parliament, but as it relates to the roads, I don't think the roads in the constituency reflect that you have been doing much work on the ground here. So yeah, fix up yourself, man.